Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are working on the fifth gear on my Mark 1 79 model. Fifth gear didn't go in, so we're just checking what's the deal with that. So fifth gear is there. This is the fifth gear. These are all the other gears. That's the synchros. And then to remove this part here, there's a bolt in front there. It's a 16 nut. It's got the spline. The spline is the same as the head spline. So you just take your ratchet and some extension and just loosen it because it's pretty tight, right? So that goes right. This is that. That's the spline. It's your normal head spline. This one. Just make sure it's not worn so you don't damage the thingy. This is your fifth gear. The shaft here on the spline is damaged, and this gear also, when you want to turn these gears, when you want to loosen this nut, put a cloth in between the gears so that it locks, not with something heavy, otherwise you're going to break the gears. And then as you can see, this thing here, it's not supposed to be doing this, right? Not supposed to be doing that at all. It's totally loose. Right, as you can see in there, and you can see the splines down there, they are bugged. That's why this gear is only spinning. So when you select fifth gear, you're not getting it, so which means you have to replace this shaft on your gearbox. This might be bad news because it seems that the box must come off, but hopefully not. We'll have to see. Okay, please subscribe to my channel for other updates or other videos for Mark 1. Yeah, subscribe, tell a friend. Thanks for joining me. See you next